From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather tonight.
We're going to continue to fall through the remainder of the 40s into the 30s overnight and then get well down into the 30s. And for some of us, it's going to be the upper 20s instead, especially if you're watching northwest of the Natchez Trace Parkway, places like Hardin County, a large part of Wayne County, Lewis County, portions of Murray County. I do think it's going to be upper 20s for you, and 29 or 30 through a large part of southern middle Tennessee in the low to mid 30s over northwest Alabama. Clouds are eventually going to get out of here, and I think we're mostly clear as we head through the morning hours. Now, I know you're wondering about trick-or-treating weather as we head through our Halloween evening tomorrow, and in terms of rain, all that's going to be long gone, but we're going to be chilly. Kiddos are going to have to wear a jacket or coat over the Halloween costume because we're talking about 40s here with a gusty wind through trick-or-treat time, and it may get down into the upper 30s for many of us as we head in through 8 p.m. So it's going to be chilly, and then we're headed for the mid-20s overnight tomorrow night. Here's Futurecast tonight, showing clouds gradually but steadily breaking up as we head deeper to the overnight, and then getting down to the upper 20s, lower 30s over southern middle Tennessee and low to mid 30s over northwest Alabama. I think everyone is probably a couple degrees cooler than what you see on the model here, but it's very close. It's not far off. Then as we head through the day tomorrow with increasing sunshine, we're going to get into the upper 40s, lower 50s for southern middle Tennessee, low to mid 50s over northwest Alabama. I think it's between 48 and 52 over southern middle Tennessee. I think it's between 50 and 54 over northwest Alabama as we head deeper into the afternoon. You see we warm up more with sunshine, even though Futurecast is probably a few degrees too cool. It often is behind these fronts with sunshine, but then dropping quickly into the 30s tomorrow evening and on down into the 20s as we head through tomorrow night. We're going to wake up Wednesday morning, many of us in the mid to upper 20s. I do think it will be a widespread killing freeze Wednesday morning and Thursday morning, and many of us struggling to hit 50 degrees and may not do it for daytime highs on our Wednesday. We do start to moderate temperatures on Thursday as high pressure shifts off to the east. We get more of a southerly flow in the low levels, so we'll be well back up into the 50s Thursday, 60s Friday, 60s to 70s Saturday, and everybody into the 70s Sunday and Monday. Here's that temperature breakdown. Chilly, much more like Christmas weather than Halloween weather the next couple days, and then we moderate, and we're back into the lower 70s for everyone as we head Sunday into Monday, and many folks hitting 70 on Saturday. So here are the forecast lows for tonight. Upper 20s and lower 30s. You can see how your community or a town near you shakes out for tonight's lows. Mostly cloudy to overcast the next few hours. Clouds gradually getting out of here as we head closer to daybreak. Northwest Alabama tonight, generally low to mid 30s. Most of us near or above freezing, but a few spots out here, especially in Lauderdale, Culver counties, may sneak down just below freezing, but I think we're going to be in the 30s versus the 20s tonight over northwest Alabama. It's going to be different tomorrow night, though. I want to make that clear. Sunny skies for Halloween. Clear skies out there, getting up into a general midpoint average of a lower 50s. It may be closer to 53, 54 over northwest Alabama, south of the Tennessee River. It still may only be 48, 49 for a few of us in southern middle Tennessee for our Tuesday, and then dropping quickly in the evening, mid-20s, and it could be as low as 24 for some of us by Wednesday morning, or the same for Thursday morning. 50s here, and it may be 40s for some of us for daytime highs on Wednesday, but we do warm up through the latter part of the week, back into the upper 60s and lower 70s by Saturday, and everybody into the lower 70s Sunday into Monday. And don't forget time change over the weekend. Bring those clocks back an hour Saturday night before bedtime, in addition to changing out the batteries in your smoke detectors, your carbon monoxide detectors, and your NOAA weather radios. I know some states tried to pass legislation, but it did not go through to become law federally, so we still change the clocks, just making that clear. There's your latest 7-day forecast. Kelly Rosson's in the Weather Center tomorrow morning for Ben Luna, starting at 4 a.m. with your Wake Up Weather Forecast.